Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to begin the process of making my dish. I'm going to be doing some pork chops, but they're going to be featuring my feature ingredient. It's going to be pineapple, because I'm going to be using the pineapple twice in this recipe. So today I'm just going to be making a pineapple juice marinade for my pork chops, and but I want to use fresh pineapple to make that. So yeah, I've got a large pineapple here, and for the marinade part of my dish I'm going to cut about a third of this pineapple off, and then yeah, just take that core out and chop it into pieces. I am going to use the rest of the pineapple tomorrow. I'm going to make a salsa, so I'll wrap that rest of the pineapple that's left, put it in the fridge for tomorrow. Right, let's make our pineapple marinade. Alrighty guys, so I've got my processor here. I'm just going to put those chunks of pineapple into my processor, that third of a large pineapple. Now the reason pineapple makes making a mess there. The reason pineapple makes such a good marinade is it's got an enzyme in it called bromelain, which helps break down and tenderize meat. So yeah, as well as a beautiful flavour. I love the flavour of pineapple. We also get sort of a bit of a chemical thing happening. Apologies if you can hear some loud music. I've tried to deaden it a bit, closing the windows. Yeah, just some neighbours like to share their taste in music with you at times. It's very generous of them, but yeah, I don't mind that, doesn't worry me usually. But the trouble with YouTube is, even if it's background music and they pick it up, they hit you with copyright strikes, so you just got to be careful. Hopefully it's just not quite loud enough, let's hope anyway, otherwise I'll have to reshoot this whole thing. Alright, enough whinging. What do we got next? I've got a 1/4 cup of light soy sauce. I've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And last but not least, I've got a 1/2 cup of rum. And not any old rum. I've got my usual beautiful Mount Gay rum, which I love. None of that Queensland rubbish. Yeah, I just someone asked me once, am I sponsored by Mount Gay rum or something, because I talk about it so much. Unfortunately I'm not. I wish. Actually, if you're listening, any representatives from Mount Gay, I'm yours. Bottle a month and I'll do anything you want. Actually, I nearly forgot, I do actually want to add about a teaspoon of ground black pepper to that as well. Alrighty guys, so I've just got 4 chops today, and these are pork loin cutlets, not so much chops. It's got the bone now. A couple of them, they've sort of got this sort of, a fair bit of the fat's been cut off them already, but they've still got a little bit of a layer there. And what I want to do, like see, this one's got quite a thick layer still, and I'm not going to trim that off, but what I will do with a good knife, and today I'm going to be using, as per usual, my Vosteed Morgan chef's knife, my usual weapon of choice. Link to that will be to their website. I'll put in my description of this video if you care to have a look. And yeah, if you do want to buy one, make sure you use it. Buy one via that link, because I will get a very small commission. But all I want to do is just put a few, like, I'm just being careful there, like Alright, next thing here is I've just got one of these bags with a sealable top. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to throw my cutlets in there. Hopefully they'll all fit. I think it's quite a big bag. They're not massively big cutlets, so that should be right. Easy peasy. No problem whatsoever. I'm going to carefully, without making a mess hopefully, get my pineapple marinade, pineapple and rum. Let's get it in there. So, I'm going to seal up my bag. Squish those chops around in that marinade a bit. I'll pop that in the fridge, and I am going to get back to you tomorrow for the cooking. Alrighty guys, so here we are the next day. I've just pulled my pork chops, still in their bag, out of the fridge. Now I'm going to leave them out of the fridge for an hour or so just to get up to room temperature. Now in the meantime, I'm going to make myself, I sort of alluded to it already, a bit of a salsa, and basically a pineapple salsa. So I've got the rest of my pineapple here, and I'm going to peel that obviously, probably take that core out and then cut it into sort of small chunks. I'm going to do the same with a red capsicum, peel it, take the seeds out. I've got a red onion, I'll chop it up, peel it, chop it up. I've got one habanero chili, green chili, and I'm going to, you could de-seed it and chop it up, but I think I'll leave the seeds in because I like spicy, obviously. And I have actually got, I'll taste it when I've finished. I've got another one on standby. I might even add two because I'm going to be the only one eating these today. So, yeah, I might make it extra spicy, but I'll see how it is with one first. And I've got a bunch of bit sorry looking coriander there, but that's all right. And I'll just grab a good handful of those leaves, chop them up and throw them through. And then we're just going to dress that with some lime juice. Now I'll be cutting all that up, same as yesterday with my Vosteed Morgan knife. I've already talked about that. All right, I'll get on with that and I'll get back to you. All right, now as you can see, I've cut all those ingredients up. I've given it a bit of a stir. Now, yeah, as I said, I'm going to dress that with some lime juice. Now we want a minimum of 1 lime. Just depends how juicy they are. I'll judge if I might need another one. This time of year, often our limes here aren't so juicy. Yeah, that's not too bad. Let's get the other half in. No, one's going to be enough. Give that another stir up. Mix all that juice so it's coating everything. And yeah, I've accidentally left some big chunks of pineapple like that. I don't really care. I love pineapple. It's my favourite fruit by far. I love the stuff. Hence this recipe. Alright. Now, just while I'm waiting to cook my chops, I'm going to put a lid, cover on that. I'm going to put it in my fridge, and that'll benefit that as well. Soaking in that lime juice for an hour or two. Just till my chops come up to temperature and I cook them. Yeah.
Alright,
I had to change my card. I had to get a new card. That was the only way I could fix it.
everything in number and stuff.
That's not quite cooked.
So I got all the points that went down. You're choosing your money orders. And I'm $50 short. Because I was told to keep it in case it was really in the top.
Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I've just plated up one of my chops that I grilled on the barbecue or grill outside. I've just put on some of my pineapple salsa. Now I just want to try this pork by itself to start with. It's very, very tender. I just want to make sure it's cooked through. Oh, look at this. Let's have a good look. As you can see, it's still just got like a slightest hint of pink, but it is cooked, man. Oh wow. And it's just flopping around, it's soft as anything. Let's try it. Oh man. Oh man, that is so good. That bromelain in the pineapple has just tenderized that meat. It's just melting in my mouth. Man. Let's try a bit of the salsa. I mean, come on guys, you're basically getting 2 recipes for the price of 1 here. Try that. It's fresh, it's crispy, it's spicy. Oh yeah, it's spicy, alright. Wow, glad I didn't add the extra habanero. 1 was enough with the seeds in. I mean, obviously what you can do is get them both together. And that looks like a very, very good mouthful of food. Alrighty guys, what can I say? I mean, most of the time when I do a recipe I go on about how good it is, but it's going to be hard to beat that. That is just absolutely delicious. And wow, I'm going to leave you. I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of that, and I'm going to have seconds, because like I say, I cooked 4 of those chops and I'm the only one eating them. I'm not going to eat 4, but I think I might manage 2. So thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. You guys are awesome. Say it every time, because I really mean it. I say that every time because I really mean it. And if you're not subscribed, I just ask you to hit that subscription button. That'd be great. Helps my channel out no end at all. Like, it's a really good help. But if you don't want to, it's no problem. And I will see you all next time.